now that the rocker panel is welded in on this side as well, the next big project is replacing this front rail.
結構大きなパーツじゃないの？
はい。So first we have to repair this broken sidewall. It's rusted out. We've already cut out a bit of it here. But basically it will be the anchor point for this rail. So we have to cut all of this out and make a sheet that fits in there. And that's welded against the new floor here. Okay, so I started making a template for the metal plate that's going to go in there. It basically fits in something like this. It's a bit tricky because there's a curve here. It also curves out here. It's in and then goes out. We have this curve here. And then basically I would prefer it to come at least below here. These spots here are where this frame welds to the sidewall. So it would be nice if this was good fresh metal here instead of old rusty Datsun metal. Okay, so we've made the replacement plate that'll fit in there. And today we're going to cut out the rest of this rusted metal and make a new piece of metal in there and then weld in this reinforcement plate.
真ん中のは再利用するってこと？
You can see it's rusted all around. I painted it with rust proofer, but it's still pretty crappy.
Okay.
So, but this is fairly easy. It's just one long straight piece.
なるほどなるほど。はいはい。What? Okay, what did you do today?
So 今日はね、we welded in this hatch here, which worked out quite nicely.
Yeah.
And then we replaced. This metal was quite rusted, if you remember, so we put in a new patch here.
One piece なんだよね、それ。
Yeah. And fitted this reinforcing plate here. It will be welded in more permanently when we get the whole new rail in. So we'll know exactly where the rail fits. But it was important that we keep it in the right spot so that the frame stays square.
なるほど。はい。で、次は何するの
？Well, the next stage is to remove this part, and then fit the new rail, which will go in like that.
おー、なるほど。
And then this goes on top like this.
なるほど。
And then this tension control arm bracket gets welded on there. But we have to be quite careful to make sure it's all square and fits. So it's going to take a bit of doing. But we're ready now, I think.